Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Google Analytics with the account that owns the property you want to delete. Once signed in, click Admin in the lower left. That opens account and property columns immediately. Make sure you have edit and manage users' permissions. Without them, you cannot remove a property. If you see multiple accounts, pick the correct account first, then choose the property. Now you're ready to move from navigation into the property settings where deletion options live. Next, select the proper property from the middle column drop-down so you don't delete the wrong site. Once selected, open Property Settings and scroll down until you find Delete Property. It's deliberately placed to prevent mistakes. Read the warning about permanent data loss and how long it's retained by Google. When you click Delete Property, you'll be prompted to confirm. This step verifies that you understand the consequences and that you're authorized to remove the site from. Finally, confirm the deletion in the dialog box. Some setups offer a 35-day restore window, so make sure you understand the timeline. After deletion, remove the analytics tracking code from your website to prevent any new data collection that could recreate records. If deletion fails or the property still appears, check your permissions and account ownership, disable browser extensions or blockers, and try a different browser or incognito mode. If problems persist, recheck admin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.